Hello all. So in this video I will explain how we can use XSS to steal cookies. There are many ways of cross-site scripting, but we will focus on how to steal cookies using the cross-site scripting. So I'm already logged into this website. So now this is DWA. Many of you will be familiar with it. So now we will insert a script to steal the cookies of this session and pass it to the server which we are hosting, and in that server we will see where are the session IDs stored. So first I will tell you what I have hosted on my server. So this is my server in Kali. I am in this directory. uh, I'm in this directory www.html. So the code which I have written here is a simple code in PHP. So I will redirect the attacker to the main page after the script is executed, and then I will get the C parameter which will hold the document.cookie values. After that, I will open that cookie log file, dump the cookies, and then this is just a simple check whether the write was successful or not. So, and after that, we will, once the script is successfully executed, we will see the cookies here. Right now, it is empty. Then we will similarly do the same on the. We will use this code for reflected XSS to see that when an attacker automatically stored XSS, when an attacker automatically goes into the stored XSS page, uh, the request is hit to this particular uh, PHP code which I have written on my server and hosting it. Then similarly his session IDs will be captured like this. So we will use this stored XSS to get the session cookies by pushing the by using the XSS to hit this PHP file which I am hosting on my server and get the session IDs. So we will first go to the XSS reflected part. So here the script is very interesting which I am using. So let's go through the script here. So the script here the lang we just defined the script tags and the language JavaScript. After that we have given a location. The location is of my machine, Kali machine, where I'm hosting the cookie stealer code. So my Kali machine IP is this 192.168.56.105. This is the code which I have written. After that, this is the parameter which will be storing the document.cookie value, and so this is the script which will be executing. So once I execute this script, I think script has been executed. Let's go to our cookie.txt file, and I got the session ID. So you can see this cookie.txt file was blank, and after the script got executed, we got the session ID. So this is how attacker, and you can also check in your Apache log file where you can see that you were hit, the request got hit by this script. This was our victim machine, and this was the request which came to us along with the session IDs. This is our session ID. Okay, so now let's see this again in how it happens in stored XSS. So we will use this code stealer.php now. Okay, So now we will go to the reflected part. First we will copy the script which we used so that we don't have to work again. So now this is our reflected XSS page. So here we will have to make one change in the inspector element just to pass our code. So the maximum length is 50 only, so we will have to change it to almost 500. Then it will be fine. Okay, then I will use the same script in reflected store XSS. I will put into it. So the script got executed in reflected XSS also. We will go to HTML and see if we got the session ID. We got the session ID. You can check in the access.logs file also. The stored XSS page ran our script and we got the session ID from here also. So now the important thing is that once we go to this page again, let me just delete the file. Now, since our script got stored into this page, whenever I will load this page, my script will run. I will get this, and all the session ID will be stolen from here and will be dumped to my cookie.txt file every time when I will load this page. So instead of me, if any other user also loads that page, his session IDs will be uh, dumped here. Just to show you the example again, we will go to from reflected. We will go to store cross-site scripting. The stored script ran, and I got the session ID again. And you can also see in the XSS.logs the session ID in the server which attacker hosts. Like this, in this case, it is my server. I can see the log files and see the session IDs here. Okay. Now it's not about this time only. Like if I log out and log in again, uh, if I log out and log in again, this will still work. Let me log out. I will log in again. Now I will go into the XSS stored page where my stored script is already there. It got executed again. I got this uh, message, and if I will go to the cookie.txt, I got a new session ID. So that's how you can do cookie stealing using cross-site scripting. Thank you for watching.